Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for Fallout London Error Code 4. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to install Fallout London, but the installation fails and shows a retry message along with the error code. According to our research, the error likely occurs due to system-related issues or write protection on the installation directory. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close everything and restart your system. Once your system restarts, try installing Fallout London again and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then turn off write protection on the Fallout 4 install directory. To do this, go to the installation location. If you're using Steam, it will be under Steam, Steam Apps, Common. If you are on GOG, then it will be in the GOG Games folder. Simply right-click the Fallout 4 folder, uncheck the read-only box, then click Apply, and select OK. Then make sure to apply changes to all subfolders and files. After that, check if this helps with the error. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.